Ma is will. Want. Ó fẹ́. Want is fẹ́. Where is your note? Mo sọ fún yín. Fẹ́. Ó fẹ́. Drink. Mu. Now, so today we'll be taking prepositions, and we have in or inside means inu. Example for it. I am inside the house. Yorùbá. Kí ni inside ní Yorùbá? Inú. Mo wà. Ó ṣé. Mo wà. Ní inú. You are there. I am inside my house here. You are inside your house there. Ó fẹ́ lo in position kí la máa lò? Ṣé ní àbí sí? In position, when something is in position, when something is in place, tí kò bá wà ní àyè bí tó wà. Ṣé ní àbí sí? Ní. Now when you are trying to put something in position, what are you going to use? Sí or ṣé sí. Now inside, mo wà. Then there should be something. Ní. Kò ṣé. Then inside, ó wà lójú pátákó. Mo wà ní inú house. Kí ni house ní Yorùbá? Mo sọ fún yín lánàá. Ilé. You are going.